Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BMV. So long story short, I have been rear-ended. So let me show you. So as you can see here, the car has been rear-ended. As you can see, look at the damage. The bumper cannot be repaired. There's a big crack in here. The cable, the sensor cable, the rear parking sensor cable is cut. Needs to be repaired. As you can see, there is no rear parking sensor in there, and the headlight was cracked. So I have already bought the replacement parts. As you can see, it's a new bumper and an OE replacement parking, and as you can see here, a rear headlight. So I'm gonna take these to the repair shop for the bumper to be painted, and we go from there. So we're getting near the body shop, and just like that, the car has been repainted. So let's check it out. So as you can see, the car has been repainted. The new bumper has been fitted. As you can see, repainted. The new tail light in here. It just needs to be tinted as the other ones in here. So you can actually see here. It's the film. So it needs to be tinted, and the new parking sensor is there. So everything is in place. And I bought some new tires, some old new tires. So I have a pair of Continentals, or Michelins, sorry. I have a pair of Michelins in the rear. So they are used, but they still have a lot of thread in them, and a better pair of Pirellis in the front with way much more thread in them, in 2018. So it's better from the 2009 ones I had. So the four of them cost me about $200, four of them. And as you can see, everything was repaired. So I just wanted to update you about the rear bumper repair. So everything has been fitted. The bumper was painted and fitted. The PDC sensor, the tail light, everything in its place. Everything is good. So I just wanted to update you about that. And I also wanted to tell you about the tires, the used tires I just bought and installed. So I think it's gonna be it for today's video. So please subscribe and leave a like if you liked the video, and remember to watch the 2 previous episodes where I talk about everything that's wrong with this BMW E90, and I guess I'll see you soon. So peace, take care.